All right, let's see here. It's Wednesday. I'm watching KALA popping up. Not sure how I feel about this ticker. We got two gappers up, both pretty okay. I just don't like how they're looking overall. I mean, the volume on KLA is very light, and then on Jnce, okay, here we go. Volume's popping up. Let's go to 1,000 shares and hide this. This is looking good. We need this to hold. Let's see what kind of, I'm looking for that move to 1.4. Wow, look at that energy. Here we go, getting my fills. Let's see if this can continue that push. 1.370. Take some profits there. Nice. Very small size, obviously, but quick retest. Selling off a little bit too much. I hit the 1.4 price target, but it's not holding like I thought it would. Stopping out. Just in case we have a quick pullback, I'm gonna go for an entry here. 1.4 was my price target though. It's not like an amazing setup. Volume could obviously be more as well, but this could keep pumping. I'll take my little profits on this one. I don't know, kind of sketchy. KALA doesn't have that volume. It's a higher price ticker, so you have to kind of give it some. Volume's there. MACD's all right. 5 minutes okay as well. Tough, kind of tough. I don't know. I think I'm gonna quickly take a pause here. I should have got more aggressive in that initial push. I mean, it was 11% with pretty okay volume. Just some first trades though. I mean, I guess it's kind of all right. Still looking at K. What I don't like about these are they pop up and they sell off, pop up, sell off, pop up. Well, maybe sell off, pop up, sell off, pop up, sell off, pop up. That's what I was thinking here, where this is just gonna fail. We did get another pop here, 5%. Technically, KALA is moving as well, so can't deny that. Right, nice. Wow, look at this one. It's still going. Okay, so it's probably gonna break 1.4. Trying to see if I can get a little bit better of an entry. Nice, nice, nice. Looking for that break of 1.4 now. We did to get that second attempt. We are unfortunately now in a not as bullish spot as we broke that former 5 minute. So I would want to see quick continuation here. Otherwise I would need a leave. Can we have that rip over 42? I think we'll probably see it. Maybe we have that high at 43, 44. Nice, nice. Let's see 43. At 43, I would love to take some profits if possible. Right here. Stalling. Hadn't attempt. Can we get that break? $43. A lot of resistance. I wouldn't be surprised if we at least saw 43 though. Jumping in here. Come on, let's see it. This next retest here. At least 43. Five minutes really still holding this area. Such a battlefield though. MACD's strong, 5 minutes a little bit weak. Volume's kind of weak, but we saw yesterday with ATNF that volume surprisingly can still amount to quite a bit. It's selling off a little bit more. Alright, I gotta cut it. Dang, really bad spot to have to cut. Good chance it's gonna bounce here at least a little bit. Jump back in. I mean, that was pretty much super obvious at that point. Yeah, not the best trading on my end, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, that was a little sloppy. KALA doing a little bit better, but the volume's just hella light. It's crazy how light the volume is. Very light sell-off. It's actually a very good sign. Let's keep watching this one. They're still in play. Fortunately, red now. Jumping in with small size. Let's see if there's any sort of continuation here. Yeah, I'm out again. I don't know. It looks a little dead. Well, really random spike after I stopped out. I'm not sure if this is actually going to hold. Volume's kind of light. Going for the breakout. Getting that 43. Let's see if we can see that 43. Nice. At least I got it. At least I got it, but I don't know. Somehow doing all that trading for that move was just felt so wrong. Alright, well, at least I got it. All right, I keep underestimating KALA, but it keeps moving. It just broke above some really big resistance there. Not totally sure if I'm kind of coming late to the party. There's still some good upside on this ticker, so I don't want to discount that. Maybe we'll see a double top pop up. This is still a healthy new front side. Spread's a little bit large, so you kind of want to use that to your advantage to buy low on the spread. Looking to get a fill off this kind of critical open zone of this candle. We still got 2 minutes, so I think we might hold here pretty nicely. Maybe a hair too early of an entry there. Looking for that move higher here. A little sloppy on how I ended up getting my fills, but I think it has that really good chance for continuation. We got another minute in this candle and we're still on a new front side. We did have a breakout here, big resistance, and next major resistance I would say is around 7. So we have the 50 as support. So this is actually looking really healthy. MACD also climbing up. So I'm looking for a breakout here at 75 and then taking profits on the way to 7. The first initial take of profits, 77. I think it could move higher. Wow, is it already kind of stalling out here? I did not expect it to stall out so fast. Definitely a re-entry off the 9 EMA. Huge spread. Huge spread. If it goes below that 5 minute, I'm gonna be buying off the 9 EMA, but I mean, it's too risky to buy here this high. I mean, it's trending nicely, but the spread is a bit of the killer on this ticker without question. Bid at 56, but again, if that breaks, it just goes so fast. Oh nice, now it's crawling back up. I think I missed my entry here. Held the 9 EMA. I don't think we're gonna get our fill. I can't justify buying at 68 because right away I'll be red quite a bit. Technically, I already had the bounce off the 9 EMA for the fact that it's a backside 5 minutes, so I'm closing here. Not a great setup. Sell volume's light though, so that's good. If this rips, I'm gonna have to kind of think about where I went wrong. I mean, overall, the volume on this ticker is light. The 5 minute is crawling below the former 5 minutes. That's never a good situation. Technically, it's a double scallop pattern, which is kind of bullish. It's just like for every bullish thing, I can find a bearish thing. It's just like it's a 50-50. It's not like, let me edge into this one. I should be trading it with small size though, just because of that. So, oh, I just tried. Okay, there's my small trade, small size trade. Can we get that pop now? It's looking not super healthy. I'm out. I guess I was right. I was right to be cautious. At least I used smaller size there at the end. Tricky. Very mixed. Oh, now it's popping back up. Let's go for it. Could break really quickly and get that last move that we were waiting for. Look how it held to try to break lower, but it couldn't. This is looking actually more bullish by the second, just because it tried to break here multiple times and it just didn't. I'm looking for that strong one or two candle move here. Nope. Failed again. Well, not my best start to the day. Won some, lost some. I think net I'm slightly green, surprisingly. I thought it was slightly red. Yeah. I thought we were gonna get that push, but we didn't. I think I'm done for now. Just starting to overthink. Oh, it did it. It did pop higher. Knew it. Alright, let's keep watching this one. Really got to anticipate the spread on this ticker. That's really, I think, where my mistake was initially in this area. It's selling off again. That might have been the fail. Yep, cut. All right, well, I think that solidifies it. Now I'm slightly red on the day. It's all good. All these weren't really winners. So Lucy popped up. I saw it late. I was away from the computer. Dang it. That was literally the best setup. I really thought we weren't going to get anything else. This ticker has super big resistance here around 2. I'm not sure if I'll trade it at this point. Just kind of watching, seeing how well it holds here. Right now it's ranging, so something off of VWAP I'd be a little bit more interested in trading. We have support around 1.5, so the closer you get an entry to 1.5, I mean, obviously the better off you're going to be. Here we go. A little bit of a backside. Not the biggest fill, but there's still sellers here, so. Wow, nice, quick pop. I sold it on the on the 6. Well, not so bad. It's just trading the range right now. With range trading, you just want to be fairly quick. No time to size in or size out. You just take your profits. So we have big resistance around 1.6, bigger support around 1.5, also on the 5-minute. So I'd be slightly front running the 1.5 and then looking for just, selling in the 1.6s. That's a 5% range, not too bad. So if you can get half of that on any given move, I think that'd be a pretty good trade. Small entry there, looking for that move back to 1.6. Not even the full move, anything after that would even be good. Bid stacking, that's good. It's just about to take profits there. actually a pretty good amount of support here, but I might have to cancel this. Just was not quick enough taking those profits. Gotta say the support came back though, pretty good. It didn't really crack and sell off. Let's see if it holds. I don't think we're gonna see 1.6. Maybe we will. That pretty strong bounce. Looking for one more of those pops. Nice, got it. So as you saw, I could have easily made 2 trades out of this range. Never be greedy on the range. Never be greedy on the range. It's a bit of a weird range. It feels kind of extended. Does another 6% move. I don't know how I feel about it. Maybe it's gonna go. I mean, that was a pretty strong move. I'll buy low on this range again. It's clearly holding. I'm chasing on the range. Never chase on the range. Dang it. I was just a second short there. So I'll keep it here momentarily. The goal was 1.6 and we reached that goal, so that trade is no longer valid. Next entry would really be, again, one of those classic pullbacks. Maybe we can get a low entry here. This is right now ranging pullback. These pull back sometimes quite aggressively. So that's why I'm being extra cautious on my potential entry. Woohoo! Nice bounce though. Cancel for now. Okay, Lucy's back in buy territory. I was kind of hoping it would go a little bit lower. I don't want to. Dang, right as I was trying to move it down. I feel like it might not be fully ready yet to be on that front side. I think we're going to see a higher low here. That's kind of what I'm playing off of. That low was around 48, might have even been 47. So my entry was a bit early there. Looking to sell around 1.6. Kind of bought in the middle of the range, which maybe even I bought high on that range, which is not typically something you want to be doing. I'm looking for that ideal move into the over 155 again. Kind of by the looks of it, looks like we held this area 148. So wow, buyers back in there now. $148 holding again, but it's kind of getting chipped here. Also the ask is crawling on it. That might have been a bit of a bear trap. Also shaking out some bulls. Looking for that move back above 1.5 and then ideally into the 1.6s. Let's see if we can see that. Still pretty small position size here. Pretty classic range trading on Lucy so far. looking for that. It's still same situation, pop over 1.5 into the 1.6s and probably sell before we reach 1.6. Or let's just say start taking profits before 1.6 if that is the case. Right now it's slowing down, very negative MACD. 5-minute though is really nice. A lot of support here. I mean, it's classic range trade. Sell-off volume, not so bad. So we had that breakout, just pulled back. Now we're maybe going to get that second to break out to 1.6. Maybe. Yeah, it's a real grinder here. Typically, I wouldn't be trading this kind of price action. I felt like pretty good potential, and so far it has been. But you can kind of see how it's a bit tiring trading range. At least you always know your risk reward very clearly. I'm looking for that move to 1.6, 1.7, and so on. Keeps giving it all back. It's a little frustrating. I still think we can see that move to 1.6. And bid is still there. Bid is getting excited. People are waking up. Can we get it? Can we get that last move? Oh, that was a lot of sellers. I'm gonna go for that last move here at 58. I still think we could see a move over 1.6. So far I've done a lot of trading pre-markets, 40 minutes already. It's not nothing. Yeah. Was I too greedy? I guess I was. I think I was. I really thought we were gonna get that move to 1.6, and we never did. I guess that now I'm just tripping over myself. So shame on me for that. Not again, bad trading. You know, leaving so many profits on the table all the time by being too greedy. Believe it or not, how weird is that? All right, I'm done with this one. Ranging pullback right now. This is a really dangerous setup. Nice pop on LUCY. So it held there. Lower, made a lower high, but still. Let's correct it over here. Possible quick entry for continuation. Let's see. Looking for that one last pop here. I'm not sure if we're gonna see it. That was the final move that we were kind of waiting for this whole time. That final move to 1.6 that I kept kind of expecting we would see. Man, I hate how it just constantly pulls back all of its gains so fast. It makes such a hard ticker to trade. Oh well, scratch that one. Frustrating. Oh well. Okay, LUCY is back in play. We finally are breaking over this 1.6 zone. This is a big deal. Let's see if we can jump on this a little bit. Okay, just trying to wet my whistle here a little bit. Yeah, this is a new front side for sure. Right now it's 840. Here we go. Definitely in play right now. New 5-minute popping up now. Watch out, watch out. Spread is heavy. Let's see that breakout here. Can we get that pop over 165 new high? I think we could. A little bit risky here, I'm not gonna lie, because that former 5-minute on a backside. I want to see pretty quick resolution here. This has a lot of potential to break over 165. Very strong. That's what I'm looking for. Just really not getting it. This was already a really strong move, 10%. This is the first time breaking over though. That's what makes me so interested. It just doesn't do it though. Little skeptical here. Kind of feels like a. I mean, this is no time to look for a new high simply because what the 5 minutes doing. Once the 5 minute is over a new high, if it does happen, then we're going to be looking for that continuation. I sold at 63 and 64. KALA is kind of back at it again as well. Alright, it's getting close to market open. Lucy's starting to pull away a bit. We got that high here at 167 we hit. Kind of wondering if maybe I can start getting aggressive on this ticker. It's kind of high on a range though. New 5 minute coming up. First entry, looking for that second move now here. Four and a half minutes before the market opens. Looking for that move back over 166. 5 minutes candle looking strong. Be cutting this one and re-entering it if it chips here too much. If I see the 5, I'm out. Like I said, if I see the 5, I'm out. Could still continue. Yeah, so far so good. Was a little bit too risky. Jumping in, small size. Weird, I didn't get filled. So it looks like I had the right idea on this one. It's just a lot of sell volume right before the market opens. This is all stuff I'm not crazy about, but yeah, that would have worked. It's kind of pulling away now. The last 3 minutes before the market opens, not something I love to see. But we'll see what happens. All right, a few more minutes before the market opens. Really watching Lucy. The other tickers aren't so interesting. I think HGGM, VKTX, SPY selling off. KALA kind of stuck here. Over 7, it could be nice. Jnce also kind of stuck, and yeah, really Lucy is the one. Let's see if we get that continuation. Five-minute breaking higher, and MACD looking very good. About to make a double top at 1.8. I kind of feel like, or even 1.79, I kind of feel like this setup is, this ticker is looking too good to be true right now. It's my gut feeling. Could be wrong. Heavy resistance right above. Maybe we're going to hit that retest around VWAP or the 9 EMA on the 5-minute, and then we're going to have that move. I don't know. Time of force day, 1000. Let's get everything else organized. Really seems to be struggling a little bit. KALA also. Technically, Lucy's been slaying the range, and technically right now it's high on the range, so gotta kind of be careful about that. KALA moving. Ooh, nasty sell-off there. Whoa. Nasty. Looks like SPY's taking a nice old poopy, so just be careful here. It's kind of, it's a waiting game right now. I mean, maybe Lucy will reverse randomly, but high risk trades at the moment. KALA had like full recovery here. It's kind of crazy. Anyone that just stopped out is probably pissed. What do you do about that? SPY fully recovered, so is that the trend we're dealing with right now? Could be. So much resistance on Lucy right now. I mean, the SPY also had a bit of a shakedown. KALA really just keeps trying. I don't know, I can't really seem to trust it. Lucy on the backside. I mean, we've had some really nice range backside trades on this one. First VWAP bounce. Looks like it didn't bounce too much. KALA is definitely in play. $7.22 is the spot to watch. KALA new high of day. Wow, look at that. HALT. Lots of money to be made right now, but definitely way too risky is what David just said. And I literally had that same thought go through my head, and I even said something similar with Lucy, where I was just like, you know, it could just pop right now, but it's just too risky. So this is going to open up at 40, but in the meantime, SPY had a really solid recovery. Looks like it's probably going to be trending up. Looks pretty healthy from here. I'm officially over 1 hour of trading. That's a lot. So if I can get one more or two more trades in, I'd be happy with that. You know, 1 hour, 30 minutes is pretty much as high as I want to go of recorded trading time. Let's keep an eye on KALA at the open. Small size, if anything. I think we're going to get that possible move at least to 7.5, so that's what I'm looking for. Volume's really strong here on KALA, especially for that price. So another 30 seconds for the open. rips higher right away. Some reduced size, see if we can get a low entry. It's got a bit of a gap fill. Wow, 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 wow. That was nice. It's still going. I thought it got halted there for a sec. I mean, technically it should have, so. If there's any quick moves, I'd be, you know, happy to take some quick profits. As in any quick moves lower. Quick profits around $8. I'm just holding this area super, super well. Boom, new high day about to pop up. Or not, I don't know, it's hard to say. Ticker's definitely in play, MACD's strong. It's got room to run. It's right below 8.5. I don't know if I want to get aggressive on it just yet. I mean, this ticker has some wicked pullbacks. That was a 30% move. I feel like there's no need being overly aggressive right now, so I don't want to be. Although it's still on a bullish 5 minute, so technically we could see a new high pop up really soon. So, yep, there we go. I saw it late. I saw it late. I knew it, but I saw it late. Ah, it's frustrating. I would have been quick to take profits there as well, for sure. Let's see if we can get a retest. There's going to be a lot of people looking to buy a pullback, so I don't think it's going to pull back super, super nice. Wow, it's actually just going up. I'm over here thinking about pullbacks, and the sticker's just running away. Shoo. Yikes. Gotta be careful, new 5 minute popping up really soon here. Anything below 24, I'd probably try to scoop up pretty fast. Ultimately, we're going to be looking for a 9 EMA pullback. I just don't think it's going to be as strong as you might think. Look at that. See, found support off at 8. Maybe we'll get one more move, but I'm not so sure. It's holding pretty well. I was kind of hoping that would have been a little bit more of a sell-off right there. Just a tad bit more. I wouldn't. Now it could be. We could be seeing a new high here. I mean, it's a 5 minute, very strong 5 minute. That's what's making this one so difficult. The 5 minutes always much stronger than I keep anticipating it to be. Could be a new high. Now I feel like I'm getting FOMO. Trying to get an entry near breakout points. This could be a short squeeze candidate. That was a really healthy break of 9 there. It's still on a front side without a question. And this is a new 5 minute. There's no reason it's going to be selling off that much. I'm looking for this to break to a new high over 9. I know it's been a strong run, but this 5 minute candle is just getting started, so it has that potential for big moves. Otherwise I wouldn't be getting so aggressive on it. Small size. If this just goes right below 65, I would love to jump in on it. It still has plenty of time. It's just a high ticker, you know. The chance of it pulling back very aggressively is pretty high. Let's see that move over 9. We could see it. It's a bit extended for sure, but the sell-off hasn't been that bad in terms of volume. Is not a lot of sell volume there. So I'm looking for that move over 9. Might be failed moves. I really don't know. Trying to take some profits there. Nice. Let's see if we can get a lower entry. Did I just miss that one? Trying to get that 9 EMA support. New 5 minute popping up really soon though, so I just want to be a little bit mindful of that. Let's see if we can get a pop. Crazy how laggy TOS is. think I did all right there. I never really sized that much. But I turned a red ticker into a green ticker, so that's pretty good. It's hairy here. I'm not sure. Kind of interesting here with the indicators. They're both a buy, and then now it's crawling higher. MACD was very strong on this one. Kind of feel like I'm done. I'm up 400 on the day, better than yesterday, and 400 is kind of my goal in a way. Like if I could do 400 every day I'm trading, I made over 100,000 a year. If that's my average, let's say. KALA dipped again. That's so nice. So that wraps up the trading day. I mean, I gotta admit, you know, I gave back quite a bit, 50% profit margin. It's like, it's quite a bit. Like good green days, I'll be like 70% plus. Sometimes I'm even in the 90s where I'm just, but that might mean I'm not being aggressive enough. So I think I did all right. Good risk reward, good win ratio, biggest winner, bigger than the biggest loser. Obviously, you know, my position size is very small here. So this is like this is a pretty solid day. This is like a 13% position profit day, again, based on my average size. So anything over 10% is really a home run. And yeah, it kind of just makes me feel like I didn't trade with big enough size. But at the same time, I think a lot of, yeah, no, I didn't. Look, my biggest trade is pretty much 5,000. So I think, I mean, I was about to say, I think maybe I have too many of these small wins, like these scratch trades, but that usually happens if I trade with bigger size anyway. So it really seems like I was topping out at around $5,000. So I could have been more aggressive with that for sure. In terms of the running P&L, very choppy start, you know, green, red, green. I didn't even realize I was that all over the place. But I kind of managed my risk well, and then eventually I kind of found my groove and I was able to walk away with profits. Obviously KALA was really the big winner after the market opened. Well, Lucy I really cleaned up on as well with that range trading. I could have done much better on the other ticker. KALA, but you know, solid start to the week, you know, now for December. That's like 3 solid trading days in a row. It's nice to see that. I'm officially green on the month. 2 more trading days to go. So, you know, if I can be really relaxed in these days, get green, get out, I think I'll be pretty happy. Yeah, Lucy and KALA were the big winners today. think I did a good job trading Lucy. I could have probably even done a better job, especially when I realized there was support here. Yeah, just thinking, and yeah, I think that's everything there is to talk about today. All right, ciao.